what you give. Welcome back to Scholarships News Bulletin. Digital Bharati COVID Scholarship. Parliamentarians with Innovators for India invites applications for Digital Bharati COVID Scholarship. Last date of application is 31/7/2021. Sooth Charity Foundation, in collaboration with Divine India Youth Association, Delhi Chapter, presents Sambhavam, a unique program for aspirants of civil service. Invites applications for Sambhavam Sooth Charity Foundation IAS scholarships. Last date of application is 30/6/2021. Bhumi Fellowship. The Bhumi Fellowship is a 2-year paid full-time fellowship program for young graduates who want to improve the quality of education in India by transforming schools. Last date of application is 30/6/2021. National Center for Promotion of Employment for Disabled People invites applications for J.Ed Abhidi Fellowship on Disability, supported by Asim Premji Foundation. Last date of application is 21/8/2021. The Royal Institute of International Affairs invites applications for Richard and Susan Hayden Academy Fellowship. Last date of application is 28/6/2021. Applications are invited for World Handwriting Contest. Last date of application is 30/6/2021. Siemens Fresher Hiring Challenge. Siemens is here to support game changers and go-getters to turn vision into reality. Whatever you need to transform your business into something greater, Siemens has the right people, the knowledge and partners. Last date of application is 4/7/2021. National Online Yoga Quiz Competition. The NCERT is organizing an online quiz competition on yoga based on syllabus developed by it. The quiz is meant for children from classes 6 to 12 of all types of school and management. Last date of application is 20/7/2021. The Indian National Academy of Engineering invites applications for INAE Young Entrepreneur Award. The last date of receipt of nomination is on June 30th each year. Iron Ranth Institute invites applications for their essay contest, Atlas Shrugged. Last date of application is 27/9/2021. The Queen's Commonwealth Essay Competition 2021. The Queen's Commonwealth Essay Competition is the world's oldest international writing competition for schools established in 1883. With thousands of young people taking part each year, it is an important way to recognize achievement, elevate youth voices, and develop key skills through creative writing. Last date of application is 30/6/2021. Government of Tamil Nadu Kalpana Chawla Award. The Kalpana Chawla Award for Courage and Daring Enterprise will be presented by the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu to a woman who is a native of Tamil Nadu during the Independence Day celebration 2021. Last date of application is 30/6/2021. Government of Tamil Nadu Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award will be presented by the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu during the Independence Day celebration to a person who is a native of Tamil Nadu in recognition of his or her significant contribution in the field of development of science, humanities and the welfare of students. Last date of application is 15/7/2021. The Children's Prize Foundation invites applications for Children's Prize Contest 2021. Last date of application is 30/7/2021. School Education Development Mission invites applications for Little Genius online competition. Last date of application is 31/7/2021. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman International Prize for Creative Economy. UNESCO Headquarters, Paris, has called nominations for 2021 UNESCO Bangladesh Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman International Prize for Creative Economy. Last date of application is 10/7/2021. World Diabetes Foundation invites applications for the Diabetes Storytelling Lab, Storytellers and Community Leaders. Last date of application is 5/7/2021. For more details and updated information, visit scholarshipsinindia.com. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.